What's up, you guys? This is SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, and blessed, prosperous day. Welcome to my channel, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. If you have not already done so, please click the like and subscribe button, you guys. You can click the bell if you want to get a notification every time I make a video, which is about 3,000 times a day. Just kidding. Sorry. Okay. But yeah, click the bell if you want to get a notification. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Like or dislike. It's okay, you guys. It's okay. Okay? So today what I'm doing, continuing our gardening for beginners, cheap gardening. Look, you guys, I have some gladiolus. Gladiolus. From where? The Dollar Tree. They're Gladiolus Bulbs. And shout out to my good friend Lisa Lax and Gardening with Aiding on YouTube. Check her out. She found these. She went around to a lot of different stores to find these, you guys. And I'm working during the day, and she did this, and she called me and she told me she found them. She did a live video chat with me. I just love her so much. Thank you, Lisa Lax. I really do appreciate you so much. Thank you. And here we go, you guys. We're going to plant some gladiolus. They come 6 in a pack, and it tells you right here. It says, plant now for summer blooms. So when they're in the store, they're ready for you to start planting. They won't be in the stores if they're not ready, you guys. So gladiolus is a beautiful flower that grows pretty tall, and they look like little bells to me. Little beautiful bells. And I have different varieties. Like I said, they were $1 each. And you want to plant these fairly deep, 6 to 8 inches, because they're going to grow tall, and you want them to be sturdy, and you want them to be firm so they don't be shaking all over the place and moving all around, shaking all over and moving all around. Okay? So here we go. Also, get yourself a knee pad. Dollar Tree. Never had one before. I just was dirtying up my knees and my jeans and everything else. Okay? So look, I'm out here in my front yard. You remember the raised beds I built? I have a video on that as well. I'm right here at the first bed. So I'm going to do this one from scratch. And these were mums planted last year when they came out. And we're going to replace them with the gladiolus. So what we're going to do is just gently pull these out. Just like that. And I'm not going to disregard these, y'all, because the roots look good. They started to rebloom. They died out during the winter, and they came back. So we're going to save them and plant them somewhere else for now. So just gently pull them on out the ground. Oh, look at that. They went pretty deep, y'all. They went fairly deep. And I made these raised beds out of bricks, y'all. There were a whole bunch of bricks in my backyard at my new home where I'm at now. And, yeah, I took these bricks and got creative. Let me show them to you. Sorry. See? All the way down, because there was nothing there and there was no fence. There is no fence. And I wanted to give it a little, you know, what they call it, border or a little structure. So that's what I did. So now what I'm going to do is put the camera back right here so y'all can see everything step by step. It's not about me. It's about the garden. Okay? So look. Ooh, we have our new gardening pad, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have a gardening pad. Wow. And it feels good on your knees. So you just put your garden pad down, get on your knees, because we're about to do a little work. Okay? So let me make sure I got everything in focus. And you guys see what I'm doing? Here we go. So we already have a little bit of wood chips and mulch and stuff in here. And this soil is pretty good. And you want to plant your gladiolus in groups, because they'll look much beautiful. it'll make them pop and make them stand out, which is what I want in this front yard. And they don't take long to germinate. So let me just read you some of the instructions that you want to follow. You want full sun, which my front yard right here is full sun. They say plant in a depth of 8 inches. So I'm going to plant them as deep as I can get them in here. I think this is about 6 inches. And then bloom time summer, 48 to 60 inches in height, you guys. Beautiful plant. So let's just go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do is mix them up, because they can't. I have the mixture here. This is the Gladiolus mix. Then I have the Purple Rain mix, which are like different shades of purple. Got some white in there too. Then these beautiful red trade horn. And we have our beautiful Jester, which is the yellow. And I have one more brand. Oh yeah, you guys, the pink. Shout out to breast cancer survivors and everybody going through that. Shout out to you guys. Love you. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. So what I've done, I also took me some, even though this soil is already prepped. Well, not prepped. This is the soil from last year that I put down here, which was some topsoil, some regular garden mixture, and stuff like that. But what I also have here, in addition to that, I'm also starting my garden in the backyard, y'all. I took me my Dollar Tree pots, and I mixed together a little bit of Miracle Grow, a little bit of vermiculite, and a little bit of regular potting soil from last year. Yep. These don't require a lot of, you know, you gotta do a scientific measurement to get it right. No, they don't require that. So I'm just gonna make sure that my soil is mixed up, and I'm not gonna pour this whole thing in there. I'm gonna fill the hole that I put my gladiolus in with this, just to give it a great start. And we're gonna water well when we're done. I should have brought the water hose over here and been ready and prepped for you guys. I'm sorry. Okay. So here, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna plant, how many do I want to plant in each? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They come 6 in a pack. I have 10 packs and I have 5 beds. Now, do I want to plant them all over here? I don't know. Let's just start, y'all. Let's just start. So first thing we're going to do is make our holes. Let me put this down. Can you see? First thing we're going to do is make our hole. I'm going to put one. Oh yeah, this goes down pretty deep, y'all. So I'm just going to take my shovel and move it back and forth. Can you see me? Just going to stick this all the way down. Oh, that feels good. It went all the way down. Okay? Can you guys see that? Then I'm going to take one of my bulbs. Let's start off with the mixture right here, since this is the first bed. Let's go ahead and do a mixture. Now the bulbs look like this, you guys. Okay? There's a stem up top. You can take some of the shell off a little bit. That'll help it go even faster. And these even have a little bit of roots at the bottom. You can tell the bottom, see? That flat piece with that little bulb, that little flat piece right here, that's the bottom. And then this part up here, like the top of an onion, that's the top. And you want to plant it like that so it can come up straight and strong. So we're going to put that there. Let's just go ahead and get them prepped. Let's mix it up, y'all. Y'all want to mix it up? What you think? Should I do one color, or let's just do a whole mixture. Let's plant one of each. I'm not going to hold y'all long, I promise. We're going to do one of each. So that's going to be 5 in each container, one of each. We're going to do a purple rain. We're going to do a mix. We're going to do a trade horn. We're going to do the jester. And then we're going to do our pink. Okay? Okay. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. You are the best. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. Beginners and experts are welcome. And then also visit my Facebook, one of my personal pages, SkinnyBoy Farms. SkinnyBoyRandy Farms Gardening. You can find me. Just type in SkinnyBoyRandy. It should pop up. All right, you guys. So our first bulb is going in. Okay? We're going in. Surgery. So I'm just going to take a handful of this. Like I said, I dug my hole. Let's get the dirt out. Get your hands in there. It's a beautiful day here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. So I'm going all the way down, y'all. Can you see how deep that is? I'm going to put the shovel in so you can see. All the way down. Pull some of this dirt out. Like that. I'm going to take our bulb and sit it right down in there like that with the stem side up. See? That's the bottom. I'm going to put it down like that, stem side up. And all you're going to do, boom, boom, boom. Cover it back up. Did y'all see that? See, I can't see y'all when I'm recording, so I'm hoping I'm getting everything for y'all. I really am. Let's go here. Can you see my hand? Can you see my hand up there? Okay. So let's go ahead and we're going to do 3 back here. Just stick your thing down in there like that. Dig up some of that soil. Did I put a handful of Miracle Grow in here, y'all? I'm not sure. Let's just go back. We're gonna go back. I'm gonna dig this one up. I'm not sure if I put a handful of soil in there or not. I'm not sure, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay. So let me find this bulb. Here it is. I'm gonna make sure I put a handful of this Miracle Grow and beautiful soil in there. And then lay it back in there like that. Flat side down, pointed side up. And just cover it up. And we're gonna do that all the way through this bed. And actually, you can just take your shovel and move it around like that. You don't have to do too much digging. Plant that there. Then we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna plant another one here. See, y'all? I'm peel some of the shell off. And it reveals that beautiful bulb. Can y'all see that? This is the bulb up top. And the flat piece. You see little roots coming out? They're ready, y'all. So, move our soil around. A little Miracle. Y'all know I get sidetracked. I forget if I put the Miracle Grow in there or not. And like I said, you want these fairly deep. Fairly deep, y'all. Almost like a tulip. But the tulips go through the winter time and they kind of hibernate. So we're gonna come here. This mat feels so good on my feet, y'all. I'll put some Miracle Grow in there. Move on to our second batch. Peel the skin off. Pointy side up. Cover it back up. Gonna keep moving. Deep as you can get it down there, 6 to 8 inches. Peel that skin off to reveal that base down there, that flat piece, and our skinny piece is going up. Miracle Grow. Dig again. Pop it down in there, cover it up. This soil feels wonderful, y'all. So the Miracle Grow. Another bulb. And that's 5. Peel the skin off so it doesn't take as long to break through the skin. See that one? This must be the yellow. Look how bright that is. Flat side down, y'all. Flat side down, cover. And we're just gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep going. Keep going and keep growing. Keep going and keep growing, y'all. Wow, this one looks like both sides is flat, but I can tell this one is the flat piece. Just sit it down in there like that, cover it up. That's 6 we've already planted, y'all. 6 we planted already. Miracle Grow. And when you plant them in groups, you get the full effect of what they're supposed to look like. You know, like that. So that's why we're doing a mixture. So we can get a nice variety. And I'm on the second house from the corner, so when people come around, they'll be able to see, like, wow, look at that pop of color. Beautiful. Make somebody smile, y'all. You know? Put a little bit more Miracle Grow. See that flat piece? It sits flat. You can't sit it like that or it looks like that. Put it right on down in there. Cover it back up. Miracle Grow, 6 to 8 inches deep. Grab another one. Peel the skin. Flat side, pointy side. Pointy side down. Bam. Gotta get this last one in here for you guys. All the way down. And these mulch chips are gonna help hold the moisture, you guys. It's gonna help hold the moisture. Now at this point, I don't know which one is which, so we're doing a mixture. And I took the labels off the bag, so we're just gonna go with it, y'all. Flat side down, pointy side up. Did we do the miracle? Just in case, more miracle. Put that down in there, cover it up. You guys, if you have old bricks and stuff, make you something, because that's what I did. I took these old bricks and stacked them like that and made a bed out of it. Yep, had so many old bricks back there in that yard. So now, all we have to do sorry, you guys. I should have had the water hose over here for you ready already. But it's okay. Okay! Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. We're just going to take it and water it. Clean our bricks off. Just like so. And water very, very well. Let me put it on the... we want some thick water. Soaker. We're gonna put it on soaker and just soak that soil, y'all. Look how beautiful it is out here, you guys. God, it's so good. I want to go a little faster than that. So I'm just gonna soak this. Really soak it, because you know we planted 6 to 8 inches deep. We just want to soak the soil. I don't think I have my water arm turned all the way up either, y'all, so bear with me. And there is no cover or no plastic under this, so the water is going to go straight to the ground, to Mother Nature. So we're not worried about over soaking. And there you have it, you guys. We just planted gladiolus mixture. We use all of our gladiolus from the Dollar Tree. For $1, you get 6 bulbs. Yes, you guys, you don't have to spend a lot of money for your garden. And there you have it. Now I'm gonna go and do the rest of these beds all the way down, but I just wanted to show you how I do it. Okay, you guys, I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. You are the best.